And they're off. From the inside, Brooklyn Strong. From mid-pack, there goes Prevalence. Wayburn is there, and on the extreme outside, it is Market Maven. The 3-year-olds race into the clubhouse turn, and Market Maven will grab the lead from Prevalence. Then it is Wayburn. Down on the inside is Brooklyn Strong, followed by Candyman Rocket, who is racing in 5th. On the outside is Dynamic One, next in 6th. Risk Taking is 7th at this point. It's almost 3 lengths back to a stablemate. Crowded Trade in 8th, and trailing the field is Bourbonic. They're on the backstretch now. The quarter went in 24 and 4/5 seconds. And it is long shot Market Maven who leads here by a half length. Wayburn is on the outside in 2nd. Then it's a little more than a length to Prevalence, who's in between horses. Candyman Rocket on his outside, and Brooklyn Strong is down at the rail. Risk Taking is in 6th, 4.5 lengths from the lead. Then it's Dynamic One, followed by Crowded Trade, and farther back, Bourbonic. The half mile, 50 seconds. Market Maven leads 3/4 of a length. Wayburn on the outside in 2nd. Candyman Rocket is in 3rd. And Candyman Rocket's move is followed by Dynamic One, who's gaining ground on the outside. Prevalence is in between horses. Brooklyn Strong is down at the rail. Risk Taking is still 4 lengths from the lead. Crowded Trade is now coming on and looking to gain ground in between horses. 3/4 went in 1:14 and 4. The field is at the top of the stretch in the Wood Memorial. Here's Wayburn. Here's Dynamic One on the outside. Brooklyn Strong is down at the rail, and Crowded Trade is coming on now as they come for the 8th pole. It is Dynamic One. Here's Crowded Trade on the outside. Wayburn continues to battle down at the rail, and it's a 16th to the finish. And here's Bourbonic, who was last, making a late run out in the middle of the track. It is Dynamic One and Bourbonic. Dynamic One and Bourbonic, a photo finish. Bourbonic got there under Kendrick Carmouche. Kendrick Carmouche thinks he got there, and it's a major upset in this 2021 Wood Memorial. Bourbonic is 72-1.